क्या मांगूं मैं, तुम खुद ही समझ लो।
मौला 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 मेरे मौला, मौला 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 मेरे मौला, मौला 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 मौला, मौला 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 मौला। दरारे दरारे है वादे पे मौला, मरम्मत मुकद्दर की कर दो मौला मेरे मौला। या मोहम्मद या हबीबी, या मोहम्मद या हबीबी, या मोहम्मद या हबीबी, या मोहम्मद या हबीबी।
يا محمد يا حبيبي يا محمد يا طبيبي يا محمد يا حبيبي يا محمد يا طبيبي وعني من لهيبي إن أوزاري ثقال
या सदरुल्लाह, या सदरुल्लाह। या मोहम्मद या हबीबी, 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 या मोहम्मद या हबीबी।
Eid Mubarak, a happy day. Eid Mubarak that we say. Thank God what we should do. Eid Mubarak, a happy day. Eid Mubarak that we say. Eid al-Milad is celebrated to commemorate the birth of Prophet Muhammad. Families celebrate this day by distributing and preparing the survey and remembering the good deeds of Prophet Muhammad.
Prophet Muhammad was wonderful, a blessing to the people of this world. He said to love each other so that we would love one another. He taught us to be honest so that everyone could trust us. Let's follow his example to be honest and full of love.
Abba! Let us learn some more teachings of Prophet Muhammad on this occasion of Eid. Prophet Muhammad taught us how to pray, and he taught us to never say a lie and always speak the truth. He told us to smile and help those in need, be good to your parents and do good deeds. Be kind to your neighbors and your elders. Be kind to animals and plants. Thank you. So we should follow his preaching to make this world a better and happy place. Stories have been an integral part of all the cultures and religion, and we learn a lot of moral values that we are going to share a story with you all. This is the story of a girl, Nazia, who wants to be a great gymnast and wants to create a big trampoline. Let's see how she did this. Nazia was watching gymnastics on her TV. Suddenly, her friend arrived and asked her what she was doing. I make my trampoline. I am going to fly up into the sky. You're making a trampoline? Her friend was happy to hear that. Suddenly, her father entered. Nazia, it's good that you want to create your trampoline. Tomorrow you will get a lot of these. Wow! So you can use that to buy stuff related to your trampoline. Before that, let's go to the market for Eid shopping. Your mother will be here any moment. Hello kids! Nazia, let's go to the market for Eid shopping. We need to buy gifts for friends and relatives. Nazia bid bye to her friend and invited him for Eid celebration at her home. I have to go for shopping with my mom and dad. For Eid celebration, we will buy lot of gifts for friends and relatives. But you, please join for the Eid celebration. Mom, Dad, let's go. Come quick.
Nazia's family went shopping. They purchased rubber sheets for trampoline for Nazia, shoes for father, new clothes for mummy, and gifts for relatives. Now it's time to go home.
Suddenly, it started raining. Nazia's mother took out her umbrella. She saw an old lady and gave umbrella to that lady. Oh! Mommy, now we all will get wet. It's okay, Nadia. The old lady needed the umbrella more. We should always try to help the needy. At the entry gate, they asked the guard uncle to share his umbrella. Nazia's father saw that guard uncle's shoes were completely torn out. He gave his newborn shoes to the guard uncle and said, Eid Mubarak. Daddy, you finally bought the shoes you wanted and you gave them away. It's okay, Nazia. Guard uncle needed them more. Today is Eid. We should always try to help others.
After some time, a strong wind started to blow. Nazia saw some eggs and birds in a nest on a tree. She tried to save them with an umbrella. But it didn't work. Finally, she used her trampoline sheets to cover them.
It's okay, buddies. You need more. Eid Mubarak. Nazia's feeling sad. Her friend entered the room. She saw Nazia sitting sad.
Why are you sad? Where is your trampoline? Why did you do this? You were saving money for so long to create your trampoline.
It's okay. The birds needed that more. And Eid is all about caring and helping. Her friend also thought to help Nazia with his easy money, and he created a trampoline for Nazia and he gave her an Eid gift.
Nazia felt happy and asked her friend, "How did you do this?" Nazia's father told her that the way she had the birds, her friend used his easy and piggyback money to create that trampoline.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, my dear friend, for making this Eid so special. Well done, kids. This festival is all about spiritually and celebrate. It is rightly said, together we shall overcome any situation. Now let's give some thanks and enjoy the festival with our friends and relatives. Let me go and get ready for some celebration. Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak! Happy Eid!
Festivals are actually about showing the love and concern that we feel about our near and dear ones. Thank you so much and happy Eid! Assalamu alaikum. That means let the peace be upon you.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम अस्सलाम ईद का है यारो ये बयान अस्सलामुअलैकुम अस्सलाम ईद का है यारो ये बयान ये ईद का त्योहार है खुशियों का है त्योहार ईद का त्योहार है खुशियों का है त्योहार ना तेरा है ना मेरा है ये सबका है त्योहार ये प्यार का पैगाम है ये प्यार का पैगाम मुबारक ईद मुबारक ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक अस्सलामुअलैकुम अस्सलाम ईद का है यारो ये बयान अस्सलामुअलैकुम अस्सलाम ईद का है यारो ये बयान ये ईद का त्योहार है खुशियों का है त्योहार ईद का त्योहार है खुशियों का है त्योहार ना तेरा है ना मेरा है ये सबका है त्योहार ये प्यार का पैगाम है ये प्यार का पैगाम मुबारक ईद मुबारक ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक
Festivals are actually about showing the love and concern that we feel about our near and dear ones. Thank you so much and happy Eid! Assalamu alaikum. That means let the peace be upon you.